right, hi Long. This is the new diagram. So what you see here is the new chat control that is hosted in a React app. That chat control now talks directly to ChatGPT and gets answers back from ChatGPT. It does not talk directly to LivePerson, so no ChatGPT messages are going through LivePerson now. And then when it comes time to escalate, then it escalates through a service here called the DevRoyal Connector service, and it's running in Azure. And that service then relays the agent escalation message over, as well as sending user messages over. And then the reverse happens on the way back. When the agent talks, those message events will go into the service, and then the client will use a polling method to pull those messages back into the client. Now, this should be replaced with a WebSocket approach. I just didn't have time to do that. Up here is the app connector, and you use a manifest to create the app, and that app then binds these two things together. And then, of course, the agent experience is no different than it was before. All right, let me show you how this works here. Okay, so here is the connector hub. And so this is the definition then that binds all this stuff that you're going to see together. This is the service, the DevRoyal Connector service right here that's running in Azure. And this then is the agent here. Let me sign back in. All right, so as I demoed before, this piece over here is a fully customizable chat control. You have full control over this, and I'll deliver that with the source code. And I styled it similar to the LivePerson control. Little shadow here, similar colors up here. Do what you want with the fonts and title, that kind of thing, colors. And again, this is the React app with a simple web page that hosts this chat control that you see here. All right, so I will say, can the ship run out of water? Now it's talking directly to ChatGPT, and so no message going across to LivePerson. Now if I want to escalate, I say agent, and what there was the there you go. So we've got the phone ring, and as you can see over here, we do have the conversation that the agent can pick up. You'll also notice over here that because this is a fully customizable chat control, I was able to introduce system messages. Now you could make this lighter gray or do what you want with it, but it looks different obviously than a bot response. And so now the agent can answer this, and I can say, hey, what do you need? And you can see the message then transfers over here. I can do the reverse of that and say, I need some water. And then, so that's a full round trip. Guest talking to agent, agent talking back to guest. Agent's all done with the conversation, closes it, and you get the close message here. And now I can say, ask about the smoking policy because I've been returned to the conversation with the bot. No longer talking to the agent. Okay, there you have it.